Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to review and unbox this induction cooktop, which is from Pigeon. And this is Acer Plus induction cooktop. This induction is suitable for roti, dosa, deep fry, pressure cook, boil milk, curry, and idli, and many more. These are the options which are given, and all the temperature is set by these options. And you can set the temperature of the cooktop by manually. So let's get started with the review. So this is the induction cooktop, and the main part of this cooktop is this. All these buttons are touch screen. I'm going to show you later. And this is 1800-watt power of cooktop, and the price is very affordable, and at last I'll tell you the price also. So this is the packing, which is very secure, and inside the packing you'll get the thermocol coating around the induction cooktop. So it has 1 year warranty, 1800-watt power, feather touch button, means it is touch screen. You just have to touch the buttons only. 35% energy savings compared to LPG cooking, and this is very affordable because you know that nowadays LPG is getting, the price of LPG is getting higher and higher, and everybody can't afford it. So this is the better option, and this is the better backup plan for all the people who are using LPG gas. So let's get into the induction. So this is the packing. I just removed the induction from this, and this is the thermocol in which the induction was secured, and this is the pop-up polythene. Now I'm going to show you the main induction cooktop. This is the whole look of the induction, and this is the plate which get hot, and it has a power plug, so we have to make it a power plug here. So I just switch it on, and here is the option of on and off. So this is the main power button of induction. I just switch it on, and this is the function button by which you can change the functions of every dish you want to make. So I just press the function button. Now you can see that the first option is pressure cook. Here you can cook anything by pressure. Now I just switch on the power button. Now I just switch on the power button, and here is the function button. So I am just pressing the function button. Now you can see that the first option is pressure cook. You can cook anything by pressure. The second option is sort. So you have to again press the function button. So yeah, you can see that the red light blinks here, and you can sort anything on the desired temperature. And if you want to set temperature manually, you can, but I will tell you later. The third option is curry. The fourth one is heat milk, and this is the best option and best function from my side because you can heat milk, boil milk without boiling it out from the vessel. So this is the option. You can see here is the 80 degrees Celsius. So you can heat milk on 80 degrees Celsius without boiling it out from the vessel. The other option is dosa, chapati, deep fry, and idli, and many more options. You can set the temperature manually like this. I'm just going to off the power button, again switch it on, again press on function button, and you can set the temperature manually. If you want a higher temperature, you can press the plus button. See, this is 1800-watt induction, so the highest temperature is 1800 watt. Now if you want to lower down the temperature, you can press this minus button. Now you can see the lowest temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. Now here is the best option. You can see that the timer, you can set the time if you want, if you are in hurry or if you don't want to watch the dish, so you can set the time. So these are the functions, and this is all, these buttons are touch screen. Now you can see that our water is hot now, and this is very convenient. And as you all know that LPG, the price of LPG is getting higher and higher day by day. So this is the best backup plan. Induction is the best backup plan. So I will recommend you that go for it. As I have told you earlier that I will tell you the price at the end. So it cost only for 1699 for me, and this is the best price of induction. So nowadays March is going on, and they say there is a holy offer, so you can buy it in cheaper price too. So there are inductions in market which have prices like 4,000, 5,000. In comparison to that, this is the best option. You can buy it. So if you like the video, please press the thumbs up button, and if you like this type of review, you can comment me. Till then, bye bye.